Today is Sunday, September 1st. This is the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. Beautiful, mint condition, 47,000 mile, original briarwood brown. It includes the trunk jack assembly with the styrofoam and slip-on cover, the rubber mat for the trunk, both unicorn parts I would call them. Beautiful mint condition interior. $47,572. 47,572 original miles. Horn works. Original general time. Incremental second hand tick tick tick. Restored clock, fully functional. Perfect leather seating. Rubber floor mats for the rear, and rubber floor mat, the monolithic rubber floor mat, flat across the front for the front. And the rubber floor mat all the way across, one piece monolithic floor mat for the rear. This is the original 8.2 liter 500 cubic inch engine. It was totally rebuilt. Including remachining of the exhaust manifolds and the transmission. Both the engine detailed in Bill Hirsch Cadillac blue, and the transmission also detailed. Let's go back to the other side where we can see that detailing of the transmission. There we go. Okay, so we have a fully restored engine and transmission. And we're going to take it for a drive. Electronic ignition, tremendous pickup. Exhaust has been configured in such a way so as to announce the car upon its arrival, as per the preference of Keith Sterling. $47,572 original vintage miles. definitely a big difference with the Pertronix electronic ignition. I mean, we're talking 0 to 70 in just a few seconds. Okay, today is Sunday, September 1st, day before Memorial Day. I'm going to be shipping the car to Seattle, Washington to Keith Sterling tomorrow. This is my last day to enjoy this beautiful, original, mint condition 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. We're going to slowly go back to the house so we don't get all the neighbors in our neighborhood riled up. My personal preference is for a lesser rumbling of the exhaust, but everybody has their own preferences, including Keith. So that's fine. And here we are, going back into our home, where we have our other Cadillacs in the garage. Okay, and that's the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. Shipping out tomorrow to Seattle, Washington to my friend Keith Sterling. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the original General Time clocks, the instrument clusters, tilt and telescopic steering columns, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, September 1st. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.